Now that's some good mac and cheese. Add some salt, chicken powder. Cook your noodles like 2 minutes before al dente because they're gonna finish cooking in the oven. Drain your pasta, but do not rinse it. Do not rinse it under cold water. Just leave it as is. To your noodles, you're gonna add some sour cream. Mix it. For the mac and cheese, mild cheddar and sharp cheddar. We're also gonna do whole mozzarella and Colby Jack. He's gonna grate it for me.
Who?
You. There's still some. Okay. To make a roux, you're gonna add some butter, some flour. Gonna cook down your flour. So once it gets like this, you're gonna start adding in your seasonings. We're gonna do a little bit because the cheese is salty, so we're gonna adjust it later. We're gonna put some slap your mama. For everyone asking, this is slap your mama, by the way. It's a seasoning. Black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and paprika. You're gonna slowly add in your evaporated milk and like whisk everything together. And also do the same with the heavy whipping cream. I also like to add some hot sauce. Once it gets thick like this, and slowly add in your cheese ball. Cheese ball. It's not the mild and sharp cheddar. Save some for the top. Your cheese sauce and your noodles. Give everything a good mix. Okay, once it looks like this, you're gonna put it in your baking dish. This is where you're gonna put your mozzarella. Your next layer. Layer some more mozzarella and your cheddar. Okay, once it looks like this, you're gonna spray your foil, cover it, pop it in the oven for about 20 minutes at 350. Then you're gonna uncover and let it broil for about 5 minutes. See that? Gorgeous. Ouch. You cannot tell me that does not look good.